Hi, welcome back to Enchant with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is from Salem. It's Salem's famous Thattu Vadai set. Let's get started. First, let us start by soaking some finely chopped garlic in some coconut oil. Let it soak for a while. This will enhance the flavor. It's time to make some green chutney. For that, you will need a handful of coriander leaves, a handful of mint leaf, 2 green chilies. You can add more if you like it more spicy. And along with that, add a piece of ginger. To this, add the juice of half a lime. Add salt according to taste. Grind this to a fine paste. You can add some water if you need it. Now it's time to make the red chutney. For that, heat some oil in a pan and add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute for a minute and add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Make it spicy, add 2 red dry chilies. You can add more if you like it to be more spicy. Add some salt and saute for a while. Add a small piece of tamarind. Saute this till all the tomatoes are well cooked and smashed together. Allow it to cool and grind this into a fine paste. Now it's time to make the veggie fillings. For that, we will need 1 grated carrot, 1 small finely chopped onion, and 1 grated beetroot. To this, add some coriander leaf and juice of half a lime. Add a little bit of salt and mix all this together. And your filling is ready. Now it's time to arrange the Salem Thattu Vadai set. Take a Thattu Vadai, spread some green chutney, top it up with the veggie filling, the chopped garlic soaked in oil, and then top it up with some red chutney. Cover with another Thattu Vadai and your Salem Thattu Vadai set is ready to be served. So isn't this Salem Thattu Vadai so easy to make at home? So do give it a try and let me know. So until we meet again, bye. Happy cooking.